everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'll be guiding you through how to log into your Go2 online banking account. If you're looking for a way to sign in and access your Go2Bank online banking account, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open a web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box and type in go2bank.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for Go2Bank. From the main homepage, click on the login link at the top right corner and you will then be able to see the sign-in page. To log into your online banking account, you will need to type in your email and password. Quickly enter your correct email and then your password for your online banking account in the respective text boxes. If you'd like the system to remember your credential for you, check this Remember Me box. But if you're using a public device or a shared device, leave it unchecked. And finally click on Login to sign into your Go2 online banking account. If you don't remember your credentials, click on the Trouble Login In link and follow through the prompts. So that is it for today. That's how you can easily sign into Go2Bank online account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.